He once waited in line for food stamps, and years later, he signed a $19 billion deal in that exact same welfare office. This is the unbelievable story of Jan Koum, the man who turned hardship into history. Jan Koum was born in 1976, in a small village near Kyiv, Ukraine, a part of the Soviet Union back then. He grew up in extreme poverty. His house had no hot water, no electricity, and often no food. Life was tough. His father was a construction worker. His mother cleaned houses. There was no such thing as luxury, just survival. When Jan was 16, he and his mother immigrated to the United States, hoping for a better future. But America wasn't easy either. They lived in a tiny one-bedroom apartment, survived on food stamps, and Jan had to work as a janitor and cleaner just to help pay the bills. And then tragedy hit again. His mother was diagnosed with cancer. But Jan didn't give up. He couldn't afford college, so he taught himself computer programming. He borrowed books from the library and practiced day and night. While others were partying or sleeping, Jan was coding. Eventually, his hard work paid off. He got a job at Yahoo, a major tech company at the time. There, he met Brian Acton, a man who would later become his co-founder. In 2007, Jan left Yahoo to pursue something new. He applied for a job at Facebook, and was rejected. But that rejection lit a fire inside him. He had an idea, to build a messaging app that was private, secure, and simple. No ads. No nonsense. Just connection. And so, WhatsApp was born. At first, no one cared. But slowly, people started noticing the app. It was fast. It was simple. It respected privacy. And word spread, especially in countries like India, Brazil, and across Europe soon. Millions were using WhatsApp every day. Jan refused to put ads in the app. He believed communication should be personal, not sold to advertisers. Then, in 2014, everything changed. The same Facebook that once rejected him, now wanted to buy WhatsApp. They offered $19 billion, one of the biggest tech acquisitions in history. And where did Jan sign the deal? Inside the same welfare office where he once stood in line to collect food stamps. A full circle. Jan Koum's story is not just about money or technology. It's about grit, struggle, and belief. He had no fancy degrees, no connections, and no privilege. What he had was hunger, a hunger to learn, to grow, and to build something meaningful. And in the end, he proved that it's not where you come from, it's where you're willing to go. And if Jan could do it, so can you. If this story inspired you even a little, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful journeys from dreamers who became doers. Your one click motivates us to bring the next big story to life.